Period. What's good to my cousins? Period. What's good to my cousins? I was gonna film this video facing that way where my ring light is, but my ring light starts tripping again. Like dang. But anyways, before we get into this video, I need to tell y'all some exciting news. Something juicy, something bomb that's going on. Something that's gonna be bomb for y'all. So let me tell y'all what's going on real quick. Real quick. Before we get into this video. Oh, don't mind my voice. I kind of got sick last night. If I'm talking a little different, that's why. So yeah. Okay, so I teamed up with Nadula Hair. Period. And you know, when you hear Nadula Hair, you should know. Bomb. When I hear Nadula Hair, I know bomb. Because Nadula Hair has bomb hair. And actually, to be honest with y'all, the hair that's on top is Nadula. That's in my hair right now. The hair that's on bottom is Wiggy's hair. So just to let y'all know, I used Wiggy's hair at the bottom because it wasn't the pattern that I wanted. I wanted Malaysian, and this is Malaysian. So if you want some bomb hair, Nadula is the one. I promise you. I'll go to Nadula before I go to anyone else. But anyway, so I teamed up with Nadula to do a giveaway. Period. To have one of my supporters looking good, looking great. Let me read y'all the rules for the giveaway real quick. Mind you, I'm going to place the rules in my description box too, so make sure you look in my description box. Here's the rules. Okay, so the first rule is to subscribe to Nadula on YouTube. You got to follow Nadula on Instagram. Choose your favorite texture from the links below and comment with your Instagram and email so you can be contacted if you are the winner. For example, my favorite hair is number blah blah blah. Instagram blah blah blah. My email is blah blah blah. The last thing says the winner will be public on Nadula Hair YouTube channel, so make sure you will subscribe to our channel. The winner will be chosen from the ones who click the links and leave a comment with the right options and hair types. Period. So make sure you follow the rules correctly. So it's going to be two winners. First winner will win two 18 inches, 16 inches, and a 16-inch frontal. The second winner is going to win two 16 inches, one 14-inch, and a 16-inch closer. And then all the participants can use a $3 coupon. I'm going to put that in the description box so you know what's going on or whatever. But